Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 mathematics chapter 5 exponents and powers. In this chapter today I will do rest of the question of exercise 5a. So let us see this question. Question number 3. Write the expanded form of the given number. For example, we have take question number 5th. Minus 37 raised to the power 2 and multiply with 4 raised to the power 4. And we have to here write expanded form of this number. Expanded form means if a number is written in general we can say that if a number is written, a number is written as a to the power 3 or n, then we can write this number a multiply a up to in multiplication n times. This is called the expanded form of the given expression a to the power n. But here we have in place of a minus 37 to the power 2, and within multiplication we have 4 raised to the power 4. So how can we write this in expanded form? Because this is called the expanded form of the given expression. So we can write this number 37 power 2 means minus 37 we have to write here 2 times. So minus 37 multiply minus 37 and then multiplication 4 we have to write here 4 times. So 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, and this is called the expanded form of the given expression So in this way all rest question of the question number 3 we can do it. Let us try another question. Minus 3 by 4 to the power 4. Power 4 means minus 3 by 4 we have to write here 4 times. Minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4. How many times we write minus 3 by 4? Base is written. Number of times power of its the base. So minus 3 by 4 have 4 powers. So we have to write here minus 3 by 4 is in 4 times, and this is the expanded form of the given expression minus 3 by 4 raised to the power 4. Next question is question number 3. 1 by 3 raised to the power 5. It means we have to write here 1 by 3 how many times? 5 times. 1 by 3 multiply 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. This is the answer. So homework question is question number 3 part 1 and part 2. Do it as your homework. Next question is question number 4. Express in power notation. Express in power notation. Express in power notation. The given number is 125 and express in power notation means express the given number in its power form, and to write the number in power form, first of all we have to factorize this number. So start with the lowest number 5. 5 2 is 10 and 5 5 is 25. So its factor is 25. Then again 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. These are the factor of the given value. So 5 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So 125 we can write here as 5 raised to the power 3. This is called the power notation or power form of the given expression or the given value 125, and so on. Question number 2, we can do it. 256. First of all factorize this term. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 16 is 32, 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 2, 2 1 is 1. So how many factors of 256 is possible? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 8 in power notation form. So the value 256 is written in its power notation form as base 2 and its power or index or exponent is 8, and so on. You can do rest of this question. Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of question 4 part as your homework. Next question, question number 5. Find the value of the given expression. Find the value of the given expression. The given expression is first part minus 3 raised to the power 3 multiply minus 1 raised to the power 7 2 raised to the power 2. So how can we solve this value, this expression in its value form? So minus 3 we can write here minus 3 times. So 5 multiply 5 minus 5 multiply minus 5 3 times, because its power is 3, and minus 1 we can write here 7 times. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 2 3 4 5 into minus 1, again minus 1 and 2 right here, 2 into 2 2 times. Now multiply these to each other. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and its power is 3 negative number, so we can write minus 125, and multiply 1 7 times, we get minus 1. 2 2s are 4. Again multiply this number, minus multiply with minus, we get a positive number, and 125 multiply with 4, we get 1000. So its value is 1000 of the given expression. So in this way we can solve or find the value of the given expression of question number 5. Let us do another question. At this time we take question number 3. Question number 3 is of 5. 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 multiply with minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 multiply with 2 raised to the power 3. So from this expression we know that 3 by 4 we have to write here how many times? 2 times, because its power is 2. So 3 by 4 upon 3 by 4, write here 2 times, and minus 1 by 2 we have to write here 3 times, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, and 2 we have to write here 3 times, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, in this way. Now solve this question. First of all, if there is possible to cancel out term with each other, let us do it first. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, and 2 to cancel, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now we can multiply numerator number with each other and denominator number with each other. 3 multiply 3, 3 3s are 9, and minus value is here 3 times, so we have a get a negative number, because minus 1, if I have odd number power, then we will get minus 1 value. So minus is repeated 3 times in multiplication, so we will get minus 1 in our answer. So 3 3s are 9, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. So minus 19 upon 16 is the value of the given expression, and so on. You can also do it as your homework of question number 5. Rest of the question 2nd and question 4. Okay, thank you.